Hi everyone, today's topic is Bjork and Brown method in hand wrist radiograph. Hand wrist radiograph is an important diagnostic tool used in orthodontics to assess the skeletal maturity and growth status of a patient. The hand wrist region is made up of 4 groups of bone. Distal end of long bone of forearm, carpal, metacarpal and phalanges. One of the classic methods used for the assessment is the Bjork and Brown method. This method evaluates the skeletal maturation by assessing the specific ossification events in certain bone of the hand and wrist. This mainly focuses on the appearance, size changes and fusion of the epiphysis and metaphysis of bones. Bjork and his colleagues identified 9 developmental stages that occurs in a predictable sequence during the skeletal growth. These stages helps the orthodontist to determine the timing of the pubertal growth spurt. Now let us discuss about the 9 stages and their significance. Stage 1 is the epiphysis and diaphysis of the proximal phalanx of index finger are equal. The significance is that it occurs 3 years before the peak of the pubertal growth spurt. Stage 2, the epiphysis and diaphysis of the middle phalanx of middle finger are equal. The significance of this stage is that it occurs just before the beginning of the pubertal growth spurt. The third stage has 3 events. The hamular process of the hamate exhibits ossification, ossification of pisiform, epiphysis and diaphysis of the radius are equal. The fourth stage is the appearance of adductor sesamoid of the thumb. The significance is it marks the beginning of the pubertal growth spurt. Stage 5 is capping of the diaphysis by epiphysis, which is seen in the middle phalanx of the third finger. The significance is it is the peak of the pubertal growth spurt. The sixth stage is the fusion of the epiphysis and diaphysis of distal phalanx of the middle finger. It is the end of the pubertal growth spurt. The seventh stage is the fusion of epiphysis and diaphysis of proximal phalanx of the middle finger. It occurs 1 year after the growth spurt. The eighth stage is the fusion of the epiphysis and diaphysis of middle phalanx of the middle finger. The ninth stage is the end of fusion of the epiphysis and diaphysis of radius, and it is the last stage and end of the active growth. Therefore, the Bjork and Brown method helps the orthodontist to evaluate the skeletal maturity, identify the timing of growth spurt, and plan the orthodontic treatment at the most appropriate stage of development. Thank you.